Hi class, welcome to today's phonics lesson. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to travel to Letterland. So how are you going to get to Letterland? I'm going to twirl to Letterland. All right, let's go.
Let's all go to Letterland. Let's all fly to Letterland. Let's all jump to Letterland. And we feel all our friends. Let's all ride to Letterland. Let's all hop to Letterland. Let's all fly to Letterland. And we feel all our friends. And we feel all our friends. See you there.
Great job, boys and girls. So I want to review real quick. Why are all of these letters very important? So we have uppy umbrella makes a sound. What does Oscar Orange sound like? Oh, very good. What about Impy Ink? Good. What about Annie Apple? Good. What about Eddie Elephant? So why are these characters, these letters so important? They are in almost every word. That's right. So we are doing short U, word families. Let's review these short vowel sounds one more time. So what does short U sound like? Good. What about short A? Good. Short I? Short O? Short E? Very good. So, boys and girls, those vowels are very important because they're in almost every word. What we're going to be doing now is I get to share a story with you. We're going to go over this one. Sammy Snake is having a lovely time by Letterland's swimming pool. Sammy loves sunbathing, but he is always careful to put sunscreen when he is in the hot sun. The sun is so bright today, he might even have to put on his sun hat and sunglasses so he doesn't have to squint. Sammy loves swimming too. He likes to splash in the sea or slide into the swimming pool. Afterwards, he has a sandwich and settles down to do some more sunbathing. All the splashing and sliding around has made Sammy quite sleepy. Soon he will be snoozing in the sun. Who can you see splashing in the pool? Who's that on the sand by the sea? I want you to think of 3 words. You can look at this picture. Think of 3 words that start with Sammy Snake. Good. I'll share some with you. So this is Sammy Snake right here. And Sammy Snake starts words like sad, I'm so sad, sad, sand, and sun. Sad, sand, and sun. Very good. So it makes an s sound. So sometimes in words, we have a word like cup. And you have to put an S at the end to mean that there are more than one cup. There's cups, there's multiple cups. So we are going to be learning, oh, that says cub, boys and girls. So Mrs. Z accidentally made a mistake. I looked at that B and I saw a P. So sometimes that happens, but I have to correct myself and notice, no, that is a B. So sometimes we have to correct ourselves. Notice here, let's try this one. There's cups. So we have cup, that means 1 cup. And then we add an S, and that means that there's more than 1 cup. Great job. Let's go ahead and listen to our S song.
Sammy Snakes is in words, he sing all the time. Sammy Snakes is in words, he sing all the time. He sing with the he sing with the Sammy Snakes is in words, he sing all the time. Sammy Snakes is in words, he sing all the time. Sammy Snakes is in words, he sing all the time. He sing with us, he sing with us. Sammy Snakes is in words, he sing all the time.
Great job, boys and girls. Thank you for listening to that song. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to review some short U words. So go ahead and pull out your notebook, and we are going to review some short U words. And remember, what does uppy umbrella sound like? Uppy umbrella says in words. Very good. So we're going to think of some words that have an sound in them, just like we did the last few days. Go ahead and write at least 3 down. When you're finished, hop back on the video. Feel free to pause it. One word I thought of was P-U-G. What's this word, boys and girls? Pug. Very good. The next word I thought of was H-U-T. Hut. All right, another word I thought of was J-U-G. Very good. Jug. Another word I thought of was sun. All right, I'm going to underline our endings. What word family is this word in? Very good. That's in the ug word family. It makes an ug ending. What word family is this word in? It's in the short U word family, the ut word family, because it ends in UT. And what word family is this word in? That's in the un word family, because it ends in un. What about this one? I want you to answer that by yourself. What word family is that one in? Short U word family. It's in the ug word family. Very good. So sometimes we have to take those words and make them have an S at the end. So make Sammy Snake at the S. So if I had the word cup, I have the word cup. That has uppy umbrella in it. And I want to say I have more than one cup. I have 2 cups. Oh, there's Sammy Snake. Sammy Snake has to come in. Sammy Snake has to come in, and we have to add him at the end of this word. Cups. We have more than one cup. Cups. So now that I've given you an example, I'm going to write some words, and I want you to add an S at the end. So you're going to write them with me. The first one I'm going to write is hut. Write it with me, please, in your notebook. You can write add S, 2 words at the top. Now let's write our next one. We have duck. And our last word is hug. Hug. So I have the words cup, hut, duck, and hug. I'm going to add Sammy Snake at the end of these words, and I'm going to see what word I make. So I have what word is that, boys and girls? Cups. Please add an S to your words, just like I'm doing. Let's add a S to this one. Hut. If I add an S, what does it make? Huts. Very good. What about this one? Duck. Oh, we know that Clever Cat and Kicking King, together they make one sound. Duck. Ducks. What about this one? Harry Hatman, uppy umbrella. Hugs. Very good job, boys and girls. So we added Sammy Snake to the end of words to make it seem like there are more than one thing. So there are more than one cup. There are cups. There are huts, ducks, and I can give multiple hugs. So sometimes you have to add an S, Sammy Snake, to the end of words. All right. Great job, boys and girls. Keep up the great work.